click on the text. Okay, again. Right? Now what I need to do is, right now I need to find this text. It's a H4 text, right? Okay, H4, 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 spam.h4. Okay, sorry? This one is a H4. This is a H4, right? Dot spam.h4 ma. Make sense or not? This one. Okay. Now let's go all the way down here. Okay. This is one of the faster ways to do it lah. Okay. Font color. Let's change it to, I don't know, white. Okay? Make sense? Now what's gonna happen is every time you do, if I go back to my code, do you see any changes to this code? Do you see a color here? No. The changes is only done in the CSS. Like I said, the CSS is a stylist and that's it. Okay. Now, I've already changed the code to change the color of the font. Okay. Is it easier to do it from here?
Yeah.
It's easier, right? Okay. Now I'm going to save this. Okay. I'm going to save this. Now go back to my browser, refresh. So it's white in color already. Okay. Now, my question right now is I need to duplicate this. I need 3 more. Which one do you think I need to copy?
The code.
Okay, the easiest way for me to do so is, you see all these buttons here. Let's click this one. Okay, this one represents header. This one, the whole span. Maybe we need to copy this whole entire code. How about div row? Maybe not. So I need to copy this one, right? So I select this one, go to my code, and it pre-selects the code for you. Now, where do you think I need to paste this stuff here?
Under 26.
Under 26. Okay, one more. Put one more here. And I'm going to save it. Now I've got 3 more. Okay, make sense, huh? Can I? So now I'm going to skip a few more things, okay, because essentially they're the same thing, okay. All they want you to do is change this picture to something else, change this picture to something else, change this word to something else, and change this word to something else. I'm going to skip that portion straight away. I'm going to go to question number 11, 12, and 13, okay. What this does is to create a JavaScript function, okay. Now, I've explained this before. A JavaScript function, okay, basically, our browser can understand many different type of codes. So, you got HTML, you got Java, you got Python, you got Ruby, and all that stuff, okay. So one of the language that you can understand is JavaScript, okay. So how do we tell the browser that I also have some JavaScript in my HTML? I have to write these 2 things here called the script, okay. Script tag, close script tag. Make sense? Okay, everyone okay? Okay, so I'm going to go back to my expression web. I'm going to scroll all the way down, and before the ending, before my body, the slash body here, I'm going to make a space. I'm going to write script. Now notice that web expression can do it for you, okay. Now, and it can create this for you as well. I'm talking about creating. Yes,
it's always
Why you
above
skip so
of body,
many?
is it?
Sorry again?
It's always above of body, is it?
Okay, it's always above the body. The slash body.
So exam they will show this thing one, like the thing.
No.
Huh?
Why? Why
It's
did
always, because you're supposed to know this.
Okay.
But we don't know.
No, you don't know, April.
I
Now
bet
is the
Freddie
time
doesn't
you
know
know.
also. Not me only. Sabrina also don't know. All of them not here. All of them don't know. Tomorrow,
Never
no
mind,
need,
they can
no?
watch the YouTube video. Okay, never mind. Okay, so listen. Okay. So like I said, the script has to be right above the bottom body. Can
Okay.
Okay. April, don't panic. Don't
The
worry
one
about the
that-
rest.
The one that says slash body.
That's
Actually,
right.
it's okay to fail.
No lah. ICT so
Don't
easy
lah,
how
don't
to
fail.
fail.
Don't fail for me lah, yo. At
Face
least you
change.
freaking pass lah. Okay. Anyhow, so now what's gonna happen is I need to create. Basically, this script tells the browser that's gonna open this HTML. Okay. It's gonna say that, hi, I'm a HTML, but I also have some JavaScript as well. Okay, can you do something about it? And the browser, which is a Google Chrome, that was saying, oh, okay, I'll do something about it. Okay, now,
They won't say no one.
The hell?
no, they won't say no one. They will say,
The hell
they
you talking
normally,
about?
the hell? I'm talking about a browser. Google Chrome.
Archer, my nail very
You
pain.
know your Google Chrome or not?
lah.
Yeah lah, you know what's Google Chrome or not?
I know it's Google Chrome.
And then
I'm glad you know, Chin.
so Google Chrome can understand many different type of languages. Okay, so but the thing is, it's like our Malaysian English like that lah. We mix a bit of Chinese, mix a bit of Indian, mix a bit of Malay like that.
Like
Okay.
fun like that. Mix.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, we're mixing it up lah. Okay, so basically, this is what I'm trying to say. I'm mixing up the languages that I'm using here. Okay, so
But
anyhow, what?
Why you want mix all the language when you can just go
Speak
with one? Yeah, you can just speak English. Why you want mix all the language?
Because in this case here, HTML cannot do this function. That's why we need to mix it up. Okay. No.
HTML can do so many things but cannot do that one.
Yeah. Okay. So now what I need to do right now is, okay, I need to write this script, and in between this script, I need to create a function. A function is like a name. It's like April.
It's
right?
like my name.
It's like you. You have been created and you've been given a name called you. Yeah, you have been created and you have been given a name April. So I'm gonna do right that. I'm gonna create a function. Okay, so I'm going to create an April.
You can create a
okay, fine. I'm going to create a function called April right now. So,
okay.
April,
Cool.
bracket. Okay, this is the name of my function now. April, bracket. Okay.
I am a function.
You are a function. Okay, now what is April gonna do? Okay, so I'm going to create this curly bracket. Okay, so in here I will do something called alert. What's an alert? The alert will be a pop-up message. Okay, when you click on the button, okay, an alert will pop up. So April normally likes to do this. Okay.
Sleep.
Yeah.
I don't sleep lah.
Yeah, right. Okay, you love sleeping, don't you?
No,
okay.
I never sleep in your class. I'm actually listening on.
How about that? Okay. Okay.
Now, in the question paper,
I screw my nail up.
I am a function, Ja.
Wait. What? Nick, what do you want?
I want to cry already.
and in the question paper,
Second Pearly, you fail, I fail you.
Right.
Everybody shut up. Everybody shut up except Nick. Nick talk.
No, in the question paper,
unfair.
he will tell you what to do, right? What function to put.
Yes, the instruction will be quite clear. Let's say they ask you to create a function named April. There will be a pop-up message, and then so you write this up. Alert is a pop-up message, okay?
Oh, this one need to memorize. Oh.
No need to
Just
memorize.
teacher Chong gonna ask us to create a function called April.
Just so annoying. Just.
Possibly. So I
Can you
suggest you
ask
guys
teacher Chong
concentrate.
to ask us to create a function called April?
How about no? A bit too late. Anyway, okay, I'm moving on. So I pay attention. So this is the part where I name the function and give the function something to do. Okay. Now
What do I do?
Is the bracket curly one, the curvy one?
Okay, this one is curly.
Curly one.
This one is curly.
Curly.
Okay. These ones are the normal rounded brackets. Inside
Curly.
you
So
got
we
a
have to put the
secret
curly
code.
bracket. Right?
Curly
You have to put
bracket.
that's right. Okay. Now hold on a second. Let me just share the link again. The hell?
Why they
Imagine.
cannot all use normal bracket? Why have to use the curly bracket?
Because it means different things.
Because it sounds like pearly.
No, it doesn't sound like curly.
I screw my nail up.
Lame, so lame, very lame.
Pearly, I mute you.
Oh my lame god.
I'm trying to paint my nails.
Damn lah, nobody want to know if you're painting your nails.
Nick is the one who always say I duct tape my nail and my hat and everything.
Oh my god. Nick, is that your secret fantasy to duct tape Pearly onto the chair or something?
Pearly use liquid paper to paint your nails.
Oh my
No, that's
god.
own. Liquid paper is own, okay? It's not me.
Okay, I'll send a link to your
Use
WhatsApp.
highlighter.
That link is a link towards the all the exercises and all the coursework, okay?
Just what you want us to do tonight, so you don't want us to sleep, is it?
No lah, I'm just giving it to
Then
you.
tomorrow ICT we sleep lah. Today we do, tomorrow we sleep. On is not just.
我不知道。
Actually, you don't know how to read
Jack,
Chinese.
don't sing,
No,
please.
I
Jack,
do not
reading
know.
already.
Really?
Yes, I do not know how to read Chinese.
You don't know how to read Chinese?
No, I don't.
我们可以讲你坏话了。
So you
你
speak like really Chinese. Why don't you?
Yeah, you look so Chinese.
because
you
I
speak
wish
When
because
you
I'm
speak
one of
Chinese,
those
really Chinese.
yeah because I'm one of those idiots that went to Chinese school and didn't actually study.
Oh, no wonder.
Yeah, why you say yourself idiot?
Yeah, because I am an idiot. But now I
Oh.
regret not learning Chinese properly.
It's okay, at least you know HTML. Everybody know HTML. Not everybody know Chinese.
Then Nick can teach you. Nick can teach you Chinese. He's in intermediate class.
Yeah.
Sibei keng oh.
Me also, Jeff, me also. I teach you.
Okay.
I'm in intermediate.
Yeah,
Okay,
our class
awesome.
everyone in intermediate except for two of them.
Who's the other two?
Nick
Oh my
and
God.
Chin, they're very good at Chinese. Only two of them. Others don't know how to speak Chinese.
So you're trying to say
Yeah.
they sibei China lah, is it?
No, they are smart.
Oh, they're smart.
Jeff
Except for
actually
Nick.
very lala deep down.
I
That's why I
didn't-
know the Chinese. I always hang out with Chinese people. One.
And the 90 angle selfie.
and the
Yeah,
90
90
The
angle
hell is a
selfie.
90 angle selfie?
You
I
know
like
the
to
girls
wear
that
blue
take from
color
the top.
contact lens.
Oh.
Jeff, I think blue color contact lens are very nice.
Uh,
Yeah, they're very they make me look angmo. You know how I love to look angmo.
Jay, actually,
Okay.
what are you doing?
I think the right thing is okay now. So anyhow, now
Jay,
we're
wait. Why got
Messi.
colon one at the back of the bracket?
okay, the column basically says that I'm done with this alert. This is where my instruction stops. Okay. Okay, so now this is my function. Okay, this is my function for April. Now the thing is, right, like right now, April.
Yeah,
April.
why? Yeah.
See? Okay, if I call you, you respond, right?
Yeah. If I
So
don't
then-
respond,
If you don't respond, then maybe your your name is not April.
okay, I respond.
Okay.
Why?
So okay, no, I'm just calling you only. Okay,
Jay,
I'm
it's
just
October now.
Okay.
It's not April anymore. It's October.
You're lame lah, please.
So what I'm gonna do here is I wrote this extra few words here. Do you see this? I write that on click. What that means is if I click on this button, this one here, the third one, because I
It's
wrote
gonna
in the
come
third
out.
one. It's gonna-
WTF.
So it's gonna come out WTF. That's right. But the thing is, okay, I need to call it like how I called April just now. So
That's
why
my
I write.
function.
So that's
when
why I
you
call
click on-
click. Yes, your function is gonna appear, but I need to call the function out like how I call your name. So on
Oh.
click equals to what do I need to write in here?
April.
April. Bracket. Why? Because the name of the function is called April. Bracket. Okay. So say-
Why am I April bracket?
now let's see.
I don't want the bracket.
Well, you
Jay, is it
unfortunately
a
function
must?
needs to have yes must.
So you click my function WTF is gonna come out. Wow. Okay.
Now, let's change a few things, okay? Let's just change a few things. Give me a second, Okay, I'm gonna do this. April is pretty. Can I do that?
No.
Oh, I'm pretty Aja.
Okay, there you go. Okay,
Oh.
can I do that?
No,
Can.
she's not pretty.
Cannot. No,
Cannot.
not because she's pretty, okay? Cannot. You cannot have spaces inside the function.
Oh, so
You
you
must
don't put
have
space.
no space at all. So if I do this, save, then I refresh the page.
Jay, where's the April name? Where's her name?
April is pretty.
No, I mean when you go to the web.
Okay, so on the web here, you see this is under the button. See here? So when I click on this button, it will call the function called April is pretty.
Oh,
Okay,
that's the function.
that's the function name. So, make sense?
Oh,
Yeah,
Okay.
kind
Now-
of. Ja.
Okay. Can I move on to the next part now?
Kind of makes sense.
Okay, it's actually very easy. Okay, it's not very hard. Okay. Now I'm going to
Okay.
skip 16 to 17 because it's just essentially me copying those three and giving it three different functions. Okay, so it's actually very, very easy. So I'm just going to skip that and move on to let me see. Should I do exercise 3? You remember the accordion stuff? It's very easy, the one.
Sure, let's go play
Accordion
Dota.
easy, man.
Yeah, it's
Chin, I think
easy.
it's easy in HTML.
Yeah. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
quite easy. Okay. Sorry, Nick, what were you saying?
Nothing. Go play Dota
Okay.
2.
Dota your head. Anyhow, well, okay, so I'm moving from I'm skipping exercise 3 and heading towards what the hell, where are you?
Joe, no matter
wait to
what
this one.
happens, I want you to know that I love ICT.
Oh, so you're saying that just in case you fail,
And we will still buy you a birthday cake next year.
that's very that's very sweet of you, but
Yeah, Rina is here.
oh my,
Hi, Un.
okay. Hi,
Seeing.
Oh shit. Oh, okay.
You missed
Alright.
out a very important
I
part.
changed the profile picture also.
Man.
It's okay, Sabrina. There's a YouTube link. You can watch it later. Anyway,
Okay.
okay. Now let's continue, shall we?
Yes.
Yeah.
So remember this. This is your coursework. Remember that or not?
Dude, this is nightmare lah, Jack. Oh my god. This thing.
Okay. Now what's gonna happen
Yeah,
is
so
I'm
when I
gonna.
do this halfway, Nick off my computer.
Okay. You know what? Nick and Pearly, tomorrow you guys go and get married. Okay? How about that? Right?
You.
Okay. Sabrina,
I
how about you
shape,
help?
I shape.
Sabrina, how about if you help me and buy the ring for those two? Let's just solve it once and for all. Okay?
Let them get married
At
already.
least,
Yeah,
at least
yeah.
quite expensive one. I can sell it for money. What?
No, you cannot. Diamond have no resale value. I'll tell you first.
Shit.
Yeah, don't be dumb.
Yeah.
Nick. Diamond has covalent bonds.
Oh my god, shut up.
Giant covalent.
Yeah.
Okay.
God
Hey, you
damn
know
it.
what? I should change my profile picture, right?
Yes, Joe, yes.
Yes, I should.
Joe, what picture you want to change?
What
So you
picture?
have a
It's a very nice picture. Okay, never mind.
Yes.
Later. I go change. No, I'm gonna change the WhatsApp group picture. How about that? Yes, I should.
Yeah, Joe, yeah.
Okay. Should I do it now? I'll do it now.
Yeah.
Do.
Oh, fucking it.
Let's see now. I'm gonna change the
Joe, later,
picture.
all of us got nightmare how?
No lah, won't lah. You probably laugh your brains off lah.
Oh, my game can't fucking install.
Game, Kenting games.
Xiao, don't swear.
It's on YouTube.
Yeah, it is
It's on
actually.
YouTube. Everybody.
But nobody watches it. So
Why the fuck you swearing, Xiao?
Chin,
I don't fucking care.
Chin, what did you say?
Nothing.
There we go. Okay, done. Change it up.
Oh, allow.
Change to what, Joe?
Oh my god. Oh
Okay. Okay,
Joe,
moving
you
on.
laugh very scary.
no.
Okay, shut up. Okay, I'm moving on, Okay, so now I'm gonna do the coursework. Watch me. I'm gonna do this.
Nick.
I'm
Watch
gonna-
me, watch me.
I'm gonna
Now
I'm
watch
gonna
me,
do this
please.
coursework in I don't know 15 minutes flat. Okay.
Flat.
Joe, I can never do 15 minutes.
Flat.
In 15 minutes. Round.
You can take a crap in 15 minutes, can't you?
No.
Really? How long does it take you to take a shit?
Sabrina takes 30 minutes.
To take a shit? Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
She really enjoys her shitting, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she will Snapchat us when she shit.
Yeah, it's like her art.
Oh my
art.
god. I can imagine. Look, her half naked picture as a profile pic already. Then someone got
Disgusting, Joe. She Snapchats it to us.
yeah. Square one.
We've been living with this for quite long. It's time we spoke up.
Sorry, let me just reply Teacher Chung Han.
Joe, you're alone in school.
No, I'm back at home.
Oh, I thought you there with the ghosts.
The only
Your
ghost that
school got
spot me-
ghosts, ah?
I don't know lah.
You were here before, no? I want to hear.
Chin, tomorrow's ICT exam.
ICT what? X what?
X1.
Okay. Okay, listen up. Okay, so I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna do the items thingy. Okay, so let's go to my design. Okay, it looks like this. I'm gonna open this in a browser as well. Okay, so this is how the hell it looks like. Okay. Okay, so basically what we need to do right now is, okay, I need to put an image there. Okay, Chin, how do I do that?
Huh? What? I
How do I put a picture in here?
okay. Wait. Image. Drag the file.
Yes, drag and drop, smart girl. Okay, so I delete the text first. Okay,
Drag and
find the
drop.
picture that I want.
Yay.
Go to image, go to products. So I'm going to put this guy in here. Okay, I'm going to put in there, drag and drop. So the alternate text only appears if the file or the photograph do not appear. Okay, for whatever reason, it doesn't load. Okay, so I want to call this bullshit. Okay, now, so my picture is appear already, right? Now I'm gonna change this title.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So title, I'm gonna call this Sabrina Moon. Okay. Now
That's a bit.
phone is only worth $9.99. Okay. Now, so okay, and she's a top seller. Okay. So anyway, so this is my page right now. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna go and refresh my page here. So fantastic. Sabrina own $9.99. Oh my god, look at that. Okay. And then the top seller. Okay.
Only
Now,
only was $9.99.
yep.
Oh, that's not flat, you know.
At least I'm a top seller.
That's right. You're a top seller. That's
At
something.
least that's not flat.
Anyway. Okay.
They say I
So-
score 4 points.
Right. Okay.
$9.99 and you still top seller.
So you got cheap,
They
ma.
must have
Okay.
really low standard.
Yeah. So I'm going to change the font style to bold. Okay. So basically, I need to change Sabrina own this word here to bold. So how the hell do I do that?
Sabrina must
Color the text. Press B. Who the hell is that? Okay. Now press B. Press this one. So you have the bold function. Now I need to put a hyperlink to this. How do I put a hyperlink to this, people?
Right click.
Right click, hyperlink. Now, if I'm going to put a hyperlink to an external website, say
You have to put the
www.
Google Chrome one.
Well, let's say I want to link it to www.twitter.com. Okay?
Target
Shut up,
frame.
Okay? Now, wait, relax, chill.
Target frame.
Chill.
Calm, lắng chỉnh tít, okay?
Calm
try
down.
Okay, wait, chill, relax. So I'm gonna click that. So now it is a hyperlink. Okay, let's just save. Okay, now I want to duplicate this. How the hell do I duplicate all of this? I want to make more of this. How do I do that?
Select
Copy
by
the whole thing and then paste.
div row.
What, like that? Copy like that.
No, you have to
then-
check one.
You have
You
to
press
go
the
to the
div
code
thing.
one.
Correct.
Top.
So let's click all this shit.
You
Is this the right
correct,
one?
just so many people talking. I correct ah.
Okay, everybody correct. So okay.
Oh.
Now, mana satu? Div span 5, div span 8, div span 9. Mana satu?
8.
Okay, this is it. That's right. Good. Let's go to code. Once I click here, this thing is highlighted. Code, it will pre-select the codes. Okay. So all I have to do is just copy this span 8 and make a copy at the bottom. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy, paste, do another one. Okay.
Last time I tried, it doesn't work.
Because you suck. That's why. Okay. Now I'm teaching you. So right now this is the right way to do it. Okay. Now.
Jay, if I do the wrong way, will you give me marks?
No.
Why?
Because it's wrong.
No birthday cake next year.
No, it's okay one. 我不是小气的人。
K. Ala, birthday cake.
Yeah. Okay, so again so I'm only copying this portion here, okay, and I'm duplicating it. Okay, makes sense, So now if I save this and I go to my browser, refresh my browser, it's gonna have two more additional items. Okay, now I'm going to change a few things so that we can differentiate it. Okay, I'm going to change this image to 02. I'm going to change this image to 03. Okay, because we got 2 and 3. Okay, bullshit 2 and bullshit 3, right?
Jay, if I copy
Now-
one extra macam mana. Then the whole
Okay.
thing wrong already lah.
Correct. So now instead of putting Sabrina Un on the line right now, I'm going to call, I don't know,
April change, and then put 99.
Nicholas
This one
1999.
free. This one free. Nicholas free.
Husky.
Un is only 9.99, and if you want buy Nick, it's for free.
Early 299.
Too expensive
Buy
already
one
lah.
free.
Haha, Nick.
Buy one free.
Buy me free chin.
Oh my God. Okay. So this square A, I'm
Buy
gonna.
one free one.
I rather
Yeah,
buy chin.
Yeah. Don't like that, leh. Pearly later sad, you know.
Not sad.
Pearly,
Pearly,
buy
you're
one of Pearly, you get
Pearly,
another.
you are. Pearly, you're
I'm-
sad. I know that you're lying.
I'm
Okay.
trying
Anyway.
to paint my nails.
Okay. Okay. So everybody listen. Okay. Now I've done that. Okay. You see this guy here?
Is it a guy?
Okay. Fine. It's a bapo. Okay. So
Oh,
why?
I've getting my nail polish with the account book already.
Very good, Pearly. Good for you. Okay. Anyway, like I give a shit. Okay. Anyhow, so this previous supposed to go at the bottom here. Okay. But before we do that, you see if I click this more, right? There are all these pop-up messages. I need to modify all these messages. How do I do that? Let's go back to our code. Okay.
Oh, the script.
No, you don't need to modify the script. Okay. I'm going to explain. Now you see all this A class pop over tooltip. Must be that one. Pop over. Data content ante x u blandit neku ulam corper eget. Okay. This is basically the text that popped up just now. So if I need to modify any of the text, this is where I modify. Say for example Sabrina Un. Your spirit.
She's LCCT. Just say LCCT.
Suba Airport also can.
Oh my God, so bad lah, you guys.
So mean.
Oh my God. Okay. You know, okay. Sabrina, just so that you to make you feel good, I'm gonna call you Genting Highlands, okay?
That's so mean.
God.
Okay. Right. And then for Nick looks like
Oh my God,
Nick-
Joe, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight.
okay, cry. Hey, hello, I'm helping you out, okay? Can you just say thank you? Can I?
It's still not that great. I wanna be like KLCC.
Mount Everest.
Hey, stupid girl. KLCC is
KLCC.
shortened than Genting Highlands, can not? The hell is wrong with you?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Nicholas
I
will
want big. I don't want sharp.
Husky, please.
Husky Nene. Okay.
Husky, please, he say Husky, please.
Okay. Okay, Sabrina, just so that you know, don't be greedy. Okay, anyhow. So, moving on. Pearly.
Pearly loves girl.
Yes, she does. Okay, right. Okay, save. So, I changed all the messages. So, theoretically, right now, if I refresh, there you go. Sabrina Un, Genting Highland. Okay. Now, I've changed the contents of the messages. How do I change this title here? Let's go back to the code. Let's look for that word there. Macanes tempor. Okay. She wants to be.
They want us to change so many things.
Okay.
But they all.
Husky nene. Dog sadist.
Just got
Okay.
4 viewers on YouTube. It's my friend, you know.
Yes, it's okay. Okay. Yes, she does. What is this? Okay. This is Pearly, right? Pearly.
The
Closet.
hell is a dog sadist? Oh my.
She loves them skinny. Okay. Whatever that means. Okay. I don't know what that means. Okay. Now, moving on. So, we got all the messages done already. Okay? Beautiful. Cantik. Sui sui. Now, I need to move this previous to the bottom. There is a problem here. This problem means that this previous is in a different div. Remember what I talked about? The divs and all that? What it means is basically how we partition all the whole website. Okay?
Different drawer, your underwear and your shirt.
Your underwear and your shirt and your
okay,
socks
I
and all
remember
that,
already.
right? Okay, now you remember. Underwear, you remember. Socks, you remember. Okay, now let's look for the previous that button. Oh, let's look for this guy. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight this guy and go to my code. Okay, so it's here. Now, like I said, it belongs in the wrong div. So how do I know that it belongs in the right div? So let's see. Where does this div belong to? What does it close?
Yeah.
Go all the way up. Oh, it closes this one, the span 8. Sorry, the span 9. Maybe it's supposed to belong before that. Let's try and cut this. Okay, this is for the next. Remember, this is the div for the not the next, the previous button. So cut. I'm gonna paste it underneath here. Let's see what happens. Save. Go and refresh my page. Did it change or not? No, it went worse. Maybe there's another div here. Maybe what I can do is I can put this rather than in between in here. I'll put it. Oh, what the? Okay.
Don't
Yeah.
swear.
Yes, boss. Okay. Now I just put it here. Okay. You can swear. I cannot swear. Anyhow. So yeah. So now let's see. I put it in here before the last div. Let's see what happens.
Nothing happens.
It's at the bottom. Rock bottom. Okay. Now. So it's correct already. That's how I find out where it belongs to. Understand? I just basically test it
That's
in
how my
different div.
HTML works. You let me do HTML, nothing comes up.
Okay. Okay, now it's supposed to be coming out already. Okay. Now, moving on. Question number 6. The pagination must contain the following list item. That's your clue there. List item. So it must contain PRB, previous, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next. Let's go to the code.
LI.
Okay, so yes, good. LI. Thank you. So, yeah. Then what else do I need to do?
Copy.
One more right. Okay, one more right. One more right.
Good.
Okay, previous and next. I still can't believe you scold Sabrina.
Hey, copy so many.
Yeah.
Which
What?
one is the organized and which one is the non-organized already? UL is the organized one.
UL is unorganized. OL is organized.
Oh, okay. UL.
U stands for unordered. O stands for ordered. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Now let's refresh my page. I saved it already. Then we've got this. Okay. Right. So we've got all these links at the bottom here. Now, cantik, sui already. Now, what I need to do. No, not yet. What we need to do is we need to combine a lot of things together, right? So how do I combine things together? Combine what? Okay. I need to combine. Wait, let me see. Remember we did the navigation? Remember that or not?
Which one? The house one.
So we need to combine this and not container. Sorry. Accordion. What's accordion?
I can't find food. I'm sorry.
This and this, okay, together. Hey, Husky, good time for a diet, okay? Now.
Oh my god, gastric now.
Gastric, I drink water, drink milk. Okay, now.
Milk.
So I need to not drink milk, drink water. So anyway, I need to put this and this together with this. Okay. So I'm gonna open navigation first. Okay. Let me open with navigation. Open navigation in HTML expression web. So navigation.html.
Can I just copy everything and put in one
Cannot.
HTML?
You know, I'm going to show you how to properly copy, okay? Not copy like a dumbass, copy like a professional, okay? Now, look.
I copy like a professional.
You copy like a noob, okay?
I don't.
Okay, now.
Jay, you say that again?
You copy like a noob.
No.
If you copy like a professional, right, you have full marks already.
I do have full marks,
Just have an exam.
Okay. Now, anyway, okay, listen, watch, So, items of HTML, let's look at the top. Body, So, body basically consists of all this stuff here, okay? Then I've got div, id, main. Then I've got row, I've got span 9, span 8, okay? Now, let's go back to my navigation. div, id, main wall. Okay? Navigation wall. Do I need to copy this one?
No.
Because you already got my. So, this guy, all the way to the one that closes it. Which one? This one or this one?
25.
Top one.
25, because it is one straight line to number 12, okay? Copy, 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 copy. Go to my items on HTML. Where do I need to paste it?
Under the closing of
Underneath.
Under the main,
main.
okay?
Kenapa
Paste.
under main?
Sebab in here, inside my navigation, it belongs under the main. So, in here
Oh,
also has to
okay,
belong
okay,
under the main, no? Okay, make sense? Okay, so I save. Okay, this is my items, right? So, at the moment right now, kosong, right? Nothing, right? Refresh.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh.
Okay. Now, let's move on
Okay,
to
okay.
this guy here, okay?
Aku
Now,
faham.
now we're gonna go to navigation. Not navigation, sorry. Accordion. I haven't opened accordion yet. Let me open accordion. Accordion. Okay, accordion. Cepat buka. Oh, saya ngantuk gila. Lau. Is
Go
that
sleep
evening?
je, it's okay one.
No, not yet. Okay. So, now, I need to, let's see, let's go to my design. I need to copy this whole thing, right? So, let's select the whole thing first. Betul lah, div span tree betul ke tak betul?
No.
Betul.
Let's click div row. Macam tak betul. Div span tree,
No.
macam yes, right?
The one the top
macam
one
yes.
also one, the black one.
I'm sorry again.
The one beside your cursor.
The black part.
Here,
This
here,
one
here.
And the
This one
top one. Yeah.
This one. Okay, if this space do not come along with this, how can my navigation here, right, has space at the top as well? Does it make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
right now I'm
Just testing
selecting
you,
this.
Just testing you.
Go to code. Do you see this span tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all I do is just copy this. Okay. Copy.
And then paste under span 3.
Go to items tree. So items tree. Okay.
Paste under row.
Under row, very good. Okay.
What?
You know why I have to
But this-
sorry, I didn't copy it. Sorry. Again, see here got row ma. Make sense? Here got row ma. So this span tree belongs under row one. That's why I have to copy only span tree. Sorry, I paste it below row. Okay. So again,
Okay.
so select the code. Copy. From my items, look for row and paste it there. I'm gonna save. Refresh. Okay.
Okay je. Sub.
See? 15 minutes kau tim. Okay.
Yeah, 15 minutes kau tim. I can do in less than 15 minutes je.
Okay. Now I have another question. Okay. If I need to create a link, okay, imagine I need to put, let's say this cosector here, right? This word here, right? I want you to create a link that sends an email. How do I do that?
Highlight the word and hyperlink.
Okay. Let me go to my design. I'm gonna go look for a cosector lah, okay, or whatever it is. Okay, this word here, okay. So right click, hyperlink. Then what do I need to do?
What do you want to do?
There, email address. Can you see? So click email address. Then you write the email address that you want to send to by default. Let's say, for example, send to pearlyeng@cameronhighlands.com. Okay. Subject, by me, please.
Jaja, when you press the Pearly Ng, then they got the mail, the thing at the front one.
Correct. Okay, it will automatically do that. Okay, so click OK. Now this becomes a link. Save. Refresh my page here. Okay, so this becomes a link. Now you see that? See that at the bottom there? Can you see that?
Yeah.
It changes. See that? Okay.
Yeah.
So now when I click this link, it will automatically send an email. Okay, of course my Outlook will appear because Outlook is the default software to send emails. Make sense? Okay, now any questions so far?
No.
Excel.
Okay, now can we move on to Excel?
Yeah. Serifon is the one with tail.
I'm sorry again.
Serifon is the one with tail, is it?
This is a sans serif font. Serif
Sans
is
serif
Times
is-
New Roman. Sans serif is like this one, smooth one.
No
Okay,
tail.
serif no tail. Serif has tail.
Sans serif.
Okay, sans is Latin for don't have. No.
Sans is don't have.
Yeah, in Latin, sans. S-A-N-S.
Wow.
Okay. Okay. Now moving on. Let's do our Excel. Okay. Let's do it for a while. I'm gonna close all this crap here. Yes. Yeah, whatever. Which one you want me to do? Any question for Excel? Give me a specific question, please.
The maximum,
Check
minimum,
and don't do ah.
average one.
Cannot. Okay, maximum, minimum, very easy only.
And the
No,
if
no,
lah.
no.
All the if.
If.
Okay, I'm just gonna open the coursework. Okay, remember in the exam, right? If they got so many files, open all the files. Okay, open all of them before you work on them. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Now, okay, let's say for example maximum lah. Okay, maximum weight gain for this case here. Okay. Now I want to find out the biggest weight gain here. How do I do that? Inside here, write the function max. Click go. Okay, max. Then it's gonna ask you what do you want to check. I want to check this one now. Which is the which one? Which figure is the most? So 5 lah. It's gonna appear lah. Min lah. What's the difference with min?
Like
Same thing lah. It's just the other way around lah. Yeah lah. That's it lah. So you write. I can either use the FX button or I can write it. I prefer to write it actually.
So which one is easier, using the FX one or writing it?
I think using the FX is easier for you guys lah.
But why you don't use the FX one?
Because
Yeah,
I
actually what we
prefer,
learn
I'm
in
old
Excel
school.
is average, VLOOKUP, if, and max, min, and no more already.
Average, sum if, then
Sum.
yeah, sum if.
Yeah, the most frequent way how to find again.
Most frequent weight is, okay, this one here is mode FX,
Mode.
MODE. Let's go. First one. Let's ask you which is your range. So this one. Click OK. Okay, got it. Average,
How
same
about the
thing.
amount?
Average. Average of what? Average of this.
Sure, how you get the box there just now? Yeah.
What box? This
Then
one
the box you write mode. No, just now that one.
Yeah, you click this one here, the FX button here, you click it. Then this will come out.
Oh, then
That's it. Then when you click, you type whatever function you want. For example, you want sum, SUM. Click go. Then you got the sum, you double click, and then you can select whatever cells you want to apply the function towards. Okay. Now, how many of you guys still remember how to do VLOOKUP?
Me.
Yeah, I don't wanna do.
Who don't want to do?
Choose on you.
Who don't want to do?
Me.
April, okay, you want to go, you can. No one's forcing you to stay.
No, I don't know how to do.
Don't know how to do. Okay, listen. So, you see all this stuff here? These are all codes, okay? MA, RG, RR, VM, SM, okay? I have no idea what this means. Wait a minute, I've got two Excel. Let's open this one. Oh, so that's what it means, okay? So, I need to obtain this information and put it in the other Excel, right? So,
Copy paste.
no. You're going to use a function called VLOOKUP. Click go, then you got VLOOKUP, okay? And what's my lookup value? My lookup value will be MA. Why MA? I need to understand what MA stands for, right? Now the table array means
But don't you
am I
have to
gonna
understand what all the other mean also?
wait, step by step, okay? So table array means that I'm going to take this lookup, yes,
VLOOKUP is for what again?
is for you to look up certain things. Like for example, MA, I don't know what it means. I want you to look this up in another table and return a value from it. Got it? Understand or not?
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me just explain like this, okay? Let's say you see a IC number and a set of IC number. Do you know what it means? You don't. So you need to take this IC number and you need to check it somewhere. You need to look it up, right? So if you put this IC number and you put it there, suddenly Justin Bieber's name pop up. Get what I mean?
I get it.
Okay, so the VLOOKUP does that. Okay,
What
now
do you mean?
Oh dear God. Okay, so VLOOKUP, I'm looking for
And
this
you nod
this
your head yes, but
Sabrina,
you wanna
I'm gonna
say
mute you soon.
no.
Okay, thank you, Nick. Okay, so moving on. So my table array, sorry, my table array is wrong. Huh? Okay, so I'm looking for MA. Where am I looking it for? Where's my table? This is my table here.
Name file.
Okay, so I need to select all this. Okay, make sense?
Yes.
Then I already know what is MA. I need to know what does MA stands for. It stands for this one. So this is column number 1. This is column number 2. That's why we write that column underscore index underscore num. So which column do you think I should apply?
2.
Thank you. Not 1, 2. Because I am checking for this. I want you to return the second column. That is what it means. This will return the second column. See here, looks for value in the leftmost column of the table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify, which means that I am specifying which one?
2.
2, and then you return that. That's it. Okay. So then range lookup always write false. Why? Because if you read here, says to find an exact match equals to false. Click OK. I got mad Alice.
Don't need to log.
You don't need to lock. If it's a different cell, you don't need to lock. If it's within the same cell, you need to lock.
So what do you mean by different cell?
Different cell means different sheet. See here, this is 2 different sheets, right?
Yeah.
So if the table that you want to compare with is in the same sheet, is in here, then you have to lock it. Understand?
Oh.
How about if I demonstrate it? Okay, I'll demonstrate. Okay, I'll copy this. I'll put it in here. I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, right? So right now I need to. You see this restaurant name? I'm gonna use VLOOKUP now. Okay, to get this MCD and put the full name here. Make sense? Okay,
Yeah.
So how do I do that? What do I need to do?
VLOOKUP.
Yeah, so I got VLOOKUP already here. Then what's my lookup value?
MCD.
What's my table array?
The table at the right.
Okay, now my table array, I need to select these guys, right? But because it's in the same sheet as this, I need to lock. Okay, oh shit, sorry. I need to lock it, okay? So press F4. Understand? Highlight it, press F4, and you go see all this dollar sign. Then what's my column index number?
2.
What's the range lookup?
False.
Sure, why F4?
To lock it.
And then why 2?
Because I want this column here, this one. This is the first column, this is the second column of my table array. Make sense? This is my table array. My table array consists of 1 column and 2 column. I need the second column's information. Understand?
Okay.
If I don't lock, and a dollar sign makes sure that my table array do not move. Every time it will check using only these cells. Make sense or not?
Yes, sure.
Click OK. Double click at the bottom right, and then it should give you all the right information. Okay? Everybody okay?
Yeah.
Okay, any other question?
Yeah, can you do some if?
Sum if. Okay, let's see. Okay. Who's the one playing music?
Nick probably.
Is it Nick? Okay, yeah, I can hear. Lower the volume a bit. Okay, now, okay, so what I'm going to do is in this cell here, okay, I'm going to do a sum if, okay. Let's say, for example, total weight gain from KFC. Make sense? Okay. So I need to add all those weight gain that the person obtained from eating at KFC restaurants. So in here, I need to use a function called SUMIF. Okay, why do I need to use a SUMIF? Because there is a criteria, there's a condition. The condition is it has to be from a restaurant called KFC. Okay, so use the first one, click OK. Now it's going to ask me range. What the hell is a range? The range is, okay, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the word KFC. Okay, so this is my range, like my table array. Get it?
Yeah.
My criteria would be McDonald's, okay? So sorry, KFC, right? KFC. Okay. Now, okay, sorry, I shouldn't write it there. From KFC, right? Let's say for example in here this cell here lah. Later I'll put in the data. Okay. Then some range will be the set of numbers that I want to add. So in this case here, total weight gain, right, which is this one here, okay? Now, of course, when I click OK, when I click OK, an error is going to occur, okay? Because I got no value in
Why is the
I-21.
criteria 1 to 1?
Yeah, wait,
Yeah.
Sabrina, just wait, okay? Just give me a second first, okay?
Okay.
Now, I'm going to click OK. Now it's got kosong, right? KFC, yeah? So, the criteria is KFC. So, it's going to look for this word KFC in here. And whenever it sees KFC, it will take this value and add it to the next value that has KFC or not. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, that is sum if. Average if is the same, only that it averages it. Make sense or not? Okay. For example, average weight gain from KFC. Now, I've deliberately made a mistake in here. What do you think is my main mistake?
You didn't lock, is it?
Correct. I did not lock. Go back to my FX again. The range, need to press F4. Lock it, okay? Click OK. Now,
Jay, if
here,
I play safe and lock everything, can?
no, cannot. The clue is, if it's a range, you lock.
Okay.
Okay, that's a
No,
clue,
you
okay?
haven't tell me why the criteria 121.
Because I-21, see that? I-21.
I-21. Oh,
This is I-21, KFC. So my criteria is
Okay,
KFC. I'm looking for KFC in here. Make sense?
yeah.
So now I'm going to use average weight. So again, what is my formula? My function?
Average if
Average if. So what's my criteria? What's my range?
the McDonald all the way down.
Okay. After that, what do I need to do?
Criteria, yeah.
Wrong.
You have to type or lock
Oh, yeah,
Lock.
lock it first. Okay.
What is my criteria?
KFC,
See.
What's my average range?
the weight gain.
Do I need to lock it?
No.
Yes, you do. Well,
What?
you see the
What is
because
range?
there's a word range there.
Oh, yeah, I didn't. Okay.
Okay. So do you think I made a mistake here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't lock that.
Alright. So let me just lock that right now. Okay. Now this is it. Okay. How about that? Okay.
You can do D.
Okay.
D and,
What is D?
D and F. D
Wait after binging.
and F. Visits.
Okay, F is very simple. F, okay. This one I don't want to do because it's just simple mathematics. Okay, you just take the original weight and then you just minus that. Okay, or you gain that. Okay. Visits is using a formula called count if. Okay. I'm going to count something. What is my counting? I'm counting the number of visits that a particular person has. Let's say, for example, Matt Alice. Okay. So Matt Alice, I want to count how many times Matt Alice visits a restaurant. Okay. So what do you think is my range?
Custom D11.
This one here. Okay. Good.
Oh.
You have to lock this,
And then, of course, you have to lock it. Then what's my criteria?
right? MA.
That's it. Simple as that.
Oh, okay.
The weight after is count if also.
Wait after binging. Hello, Matt Alice originally weighs 80 kilo. Each time she goes to the restaurant, she puts on so many kilograms of weight.
I know,
So
but how?
you just need to add lah. Seriously, you don't know
80 plus 5, but so many.
Okay,
so
okay. So I'll do it now. Okay. So weight gain So what do you think I need to do here? I need to find out how many kilos that this person has already put on. Correct? So what do you think is my function?
Some.
Some if.
Sum if. Okay. Click OK. Then what's my range?
Weight up, weight gain.
Nope.
Huh? Your range?
Customer code. Is it?
Good. Then lock it up. Criteria.
Criteria is MA. MA.
What's my sum range?
Oh, wait,
80
game.
plus don't know what. Oh.
Again, first one by one. Okay. This one. Then lock or not? Lock or not?
Yes.
Lock.
Yes.
So she put on this many kilos. All I have to do is just add this to this, right?
Oh.
How do I do that?
Plus.
Plus C2. Eh?
Plus 80.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
How about this one? What's the formula for this one?
Sum. Wait.
Sum if.
Sum if.
Why need if?
Because amount of
Oh,
wasted
yeah,
on
for-
junk
for-
food, you need to
for-
use
okay,
for
okay.
Matt Alice ma. Okay.
I didn't see
Now-
man at least.
Now, okay, how many? Okay, now what I need you guys to do is the last one before we call it a night now. Okay, we're gonna do a if. Okay. We're gonna do an if.
Wait,
Okay.
just now you use count if is which one?
Count if is this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this one now. Okay. Wait, just very quickly. Okay. So it's a what? Sum if, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do it my way lah. Sum if. Range will be this guy. Obviously, I need to lock it. Then criteria will be this guy. Then my sum range will be money.
Same thing.
Same thing lah. Just that I type only lah. Okay. Then enter. Okay. Now this is money, right? Do I need to change this into currency?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a if. If you spend less than $30, you are wasting. Okay. This is okay. You know what? I'm going to write it down. Okay. Yeah. If you $30 hash. Okay. If you spend between 31 to 50, you are OMG. Okay. If you spend 50,
Get a life.
okay. Now, how am I going to write an if function
Mathematics.
like that? How? I want to write it here.
If.
Okay, equals if.
If.
Okay, so let's write equals if.
Bracket.
What's my logical test?
More than 30. Less than 30.
What is more than 30?
Wait. Oh. The amount of money.
Okay, which is this one This one okay?
Okay.
Make sense? This one is what?
Mm.
30 or less, so what?
30 or equals to
Less
smaller
than
or equals
equal to 30. If it's true, what's the message it's supposed to put out?
wasteful.
Then, if it's false, what do I need to do now?
Put another if.
Why do I need to put another if?
Because there's three
Because you
things.
can straight away cover two at once.
Because we still got two more conditions. That's why we need another if. Okay. So right now I need to check this and this. So what do you think I need to write?
More or equals to 50.
More.
Wait, more,
okay.
more than 50.
Good. Okay. So Pearly, remember that it's better to do this one. Okay, this one, and then do this one. Then you leave this one to the last false. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So because I want the both extremes, the least and the most. So I'm going to do this one next. Okay. So basically I'm doing E2 is greater than 50. What's the message that needs to come up?
WTF.
And then for this one, what do I need to write?
OMG.
That's it. Simple as that.
Just how
any
do you
other
change the color? Like if it's wasteful, oh my god, WTF, you have
Okay,
to change
good.
colors.
Okay, okay, you know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to I'm going to move this formula, okay? Just move it here, lah. So that I'm going to move it here, okay? So don't confuse yourself, huh? Just going to move it here, and I'm going to do that, okay? Make sense, huh? Can, huh?
Yeah.
So what's going to happen is if it's WTF is red in color, if it's OMG is yellow, wasteful will be green, okay? So what you need to do is you need to go to maximize this, huh? You go to your wait, I also don't remember.
Actually, what is the
Data,
filter
is it?
for again?
Hold on, give me a second. I'll tell you what's the filter for in a minute. I also forgot where is it. Where is it? Sorry. Under home, let's say WTF, right? We want it to be what color? Red, right?
Yeah.
You see this one, condition formatting? Click that. Then what you're supposed to do is
Color scales.
color scales. No.
Oh no.
Highlight cells rules. Sorry. Highlight cells rules. Text that contains. If it's WTF, light red filled with dark red text. Make sense? Okay. But in the same cell again, I click conditional formatting. Do it again. The word, let's say OMG as yellow. It's in the same. It's in the same box, okay? And text contains what's it? Wasteful, right?
Oh yeah, wasteful. So.
Green. Click OK. So now if I drag it down, make sense?
Yeah.
Very.
Okay. Now, what was your question again, just now, Pearly?
Filter.
Oh, filter. Filter is very easy. Let's say, for example, I want to find out only what MA has spent on. Okay, so I highlight this stuff. I go to my data. I click filter. Now, do you see this thing appear? I want to see MA stuff. Click OK.
Okay,
MA?
is it this one that last time we had to screenshot to make an evidence file?
I think so, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then with this filter also I can arrange in, let's say here this one I can arrange in alphabetical order. I can make this oldest, newest to oldest, etc.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions? We nearly covered everything, you know.
Nearly.
That's good, Charles.
Again?
Cover everything is good.
Yeah, actually we actually covered everything. Now the problem is how you answer question, how you read the question, understand the question, and answer the question. The skills you have is just understanding the question only.
Buddy, let's do this.
Yes, man.
Oh, okay. What are you guys gonna do? Is it gonna be illegal?
No, we are going to like sit side by side tomorrow. Then we are going to like make a hole between the cupboard. Then we are going to see each other's answer. So we have 2
right.
hours. So we separate the work into half. So we have more time. We can just copy and it's faster.
How about no? Okay. So, everyone okay? I think it's 11. It's time to sleep.
Actually, my eyes cannot already. My eyes want
Yeah. I want to
come out
tutup already. I want to die already. And I know this is the time where April's waking up.
No, this is the time when she start to eat her dinner.
Yeah, April, you should do that. Okay, it's very unhealthy.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Un, are you still there, Un? I think Un died already. Is it?
I'm
She might
still
fall
here, I'm
asleep.
still here.
Okay, Un. Okay, it's 11 p.m. It's late. Please put on some clothes and go to sleep. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it a night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.
Thanks.
Bye, sir.
No problem. Bye, guys.
Thanks a lot.
Good night.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Love you all. Bye.
Bye.
You too.